the BMW is organizing a special event for the presentation of the event by taking the car next to the M8 GTE. And although the race car definitely looks amazing, everyone wonders how much of it will find its way into the legal version. The BMW M8 is still a couple of months away, but in the meantime we will get to enjoy the new guy on the block, the M850i. This seems to be the new star in the BMW lineup. BMW told us some time ago that the engine will produce more than 500 horsepower and more torque than any other M performance car it currently offers, and then it will offer the figures of 530 horsepower and 553 pounds-ft 750 Nm for our imagination to work. Once again they confirmed the numbers in front of the camera and added a couple of details in the mix. Now we know that the M850i will come with a new xDrive system that focuses on the rear axle, sending more power to the rear. It will not be the same system as in the new M5, but it will be predisposed in RWD. In addition, an active rear differential lock will be offered as standard, as well as M-adaptive suspension and active roll stabilization. Some sketches have seen it beforehand, but now we can see what it will be like in real life, at least in comfort mode. Things definitely look great, with this new design that takes BMW to the future, keeping up with the trends. All we have to do now is wait for the final product to come out.